Hello guys, now let us discuss question 22. The question is, a diverging lens with a magnitude of focal length 25 centimeter is placed at a distance of 15 centimeter from a converging lens of magnitude of focal length 20 centimeter. A beam of parallel light falls on the diverging length. The final image formed is, the options are: first, real and at a distance of 40 centimeter from the convergent lens; second, virtual and at a distance of 40 centimeter from the convergent lens; third, real and at a distance of 40 centimeter from the diverging lens; fourth, real and at a distance of 6 centimeter from the diverging lens. So now let us first make a diagram. So from the question, the diagram we can form is like this. As it is given, the magnitude of focal length of 25 centimeter is placed at a distance of 50 centimeter, which means that the two lens has a distance of 50 centimeter in between them, and from that is from the converging lens. We know that, and of a magnitude of focal length are given to them. So focal length of the converging lens is 20 centimeter, and the focal length of a diverging lens is 25 centimeter. So a parallel beam of light falls on it. A parallel beam of light falls on the lens that are apart, 15 centimeter apart. So the from this it goes to the lens f1. The converging lens has u is equal to -40, which is equal to the 2f, and the image will be real and at distance 40 centimeter from the convergent lens. So how we get that? So it we can take that 1 of f1 is equal to 1 by v1 minus 1 by u1. So it is minus 1 by 25 is equal to 1 by v1 minus 1 by infinite, because we know that, and v1 is equal to minus 25 centimeter. That we get for concave lens. Now for the convex lens, 1 by f2 is equal to 1 by v2 minus 1 by u2. So it would be 1 by 20 is equal to 1 by v2 plus 1 by 40. So from this, v2 would be 40 centimeter. 40 centimeter. Hence the answer is, so from this we get u is equal to -40, which is equal to -2f. So the correct option is the real and at a distance of 40 centimeter from the convergent lens. That is the